Welcome to Minexa.ai, where you can easily scrape financial stock data from any website. Let me show you how to pull clean data from livemint.com quickly and hassle-free. Here I am opening the page on livemint.com that already has the stock data loaded. Next, just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon in your browser. That is the whole step. The panel is open. Now click the violet button. I'm on the right page. So Minexa.ai can scan the entire layout and detect the stock data list. In seconds, Minexa.ai understands the full page structure automatically. No manual setup needed. At this point, choose List Mode or go deeper by scraping the detail page of each stock result. Keep going with Continue or select Advanced if you need clicks, scrolling, or form submissions before results appear. That highlighted area is what Minexa.ai identified as the data container. Hit Create Scraper, and it detects every data point automatically. No setup needed. Minexa.ai found all the data points for stock symbols, prices, changes, and volumes, even those you might not expect to see. Developers, simply click API Request. No token fees or AI delays. The trained scraper template delivers data directly and efficiently. Finalize your setup by clicking Complete Configuration to save your scraper and its settings. Minexa.ai detects pagination automatically, so your scraper continues beyond page 1 without any extra work. Click Complete Setup to save your job. Optionally, you can set a schedule before finalizing. Hit Run, and extraction begins immediately and automatically. No manual steps needed. This is deterministic extraction in action. The same input always gives the same output. You get clean, reliable stock data like symbol, price, percentage change, and volume, every time without variation. Hit Export, and your full dataset downloads instantly to your computer in Excel or JSON format. No experience is needed to get data from any website with Minexa.ai. Developers save time and avoid scraper breakage when site layouts update.